Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI for YouTube videos. First, begin by prompting Gemini with your initial video concept or topic. You can ask it to generate 5 unique video ideas, complete with brief descriptions. This initial step saves you valuable brainstorming time, allowing you to quickly move to content creation. Gemini can also suggest compelling angles to capture your audience's attention from the very start. Next, leverage Gemini to draft your video script. Provide it with your chosen video idea and specify the desired length, perhaps aiming for a script that translates to a 5-minute video. You can also instruct it to adopt a specific tone, like informative or humorous. Gemini will then generate a structured script, including an introduction, main points, and a conclusion, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. After your script is ready, use Gemini to optimize your video for engagement and search. Ask it to create 3 to 5 catchy titles that include relevant keywords. Then, prompt it for a detailed video description, incorporating key phrases for better search engine optimization. Gemini can also suggest a list of 10 to 15 effective tags, significantly boosting your video's discoverability on the platform. Finally, integrate Gemini seamlessly into your overall video production workflow. Remember to always review and refine the AI-generated content to ensure it aligns perfectly with your unique brand voice and style. Experiment with various prompts and iterations to discover what works best for your specific content niche. This iterative process will help you maximize Gemini's potential, saving you hours of effort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.